We're going to walk through how to use the new Google Assignment LTI in Canvas. Before you get started learning about the new Google Assignments LTI, you will want to be aware of some key differences in functionality. Unlike the current Google Docs Cloud assignment, the new Google Assignments LTI, those assignments cannot be viewed or graded in SpeedGrader, and a rubric cannot be attached to Canvas. It can be attached directly within the Google Doc, but not through any rubrics created in Canvas. The assignments that are given through the new Google LTI are actually edited within Google Drive, but not within the Canvas framework. It creates a pop-out for the students to work in. Teachers, however, the big key difference for teachers is they can see a Google document live as students are editing it and give feedback before the student actually submits it. Teachers can also create comment banks. So if there's a continual comment that you are making, you can save it so you can just click on that comment for each paper it applies to. So now we're going to take a look at how this tool works. But just keep these functionality features in mind when deciding which integration to use. You will start off by first creating an assignment in Canvas. Open the assignment and then go to the editing page. Once you're on this editing page, you will go to the Rich Content Editor. You will enter your directions as you normally would, and then you can go about setting the amount of points that you want the assignment to be worth, how you want the assignments, the points to display, your assignment group, and then you will come down to submission type. You will select the external tool submission. You will then select find. And here you will scroll down in the list of external tools and you will see the Google Docs Cloud assignment. That's the old integration. What you want to choose is Google Assignments LTI 1.3. So when I click, I'll select that. It'll pop up and ask me to verify to make sure I'm creating it in the correct email account. I will select continue. And when I select continue, another window will pop up. And this point, I can attach the files that I want my students to access. So I can go to my drive and I will select a file and add it. As you notice, once you add the file, it will say each student will get a copy. They'll get their own copy to edit. Using this feature, I can also attach an additional file. So maybe I want to provide my students with another document or reading that they go through. So I'm going to select another one. I will select add, and I can add additional documents. They're still only editing and submitting through this one assignment, but I can add multiple documents. Then, if you notice, I had set, when I set up the assignment in Canvas, I had said 10 points. However, right here, the total points, it still says 100. So I have to manually change the number of points. I can add a rubric within Google, but I cannot add, I can create or add one here, but it does not connect to Canvas yet. I can set a due date. Once again, the due date, you would need to make sure it matches whatever you set in Canvas because it does not automatically carry over. Once I'm done, I'm going to select Create. This will then take me back to the external tool and I will choose Select. I can come down here. Once again, I'll need to make sure I set the due date to match what I had on the Google Doc. And then I can save and publish. Once I save and publish, as a teacher, I will see down here the information for my assignment. I will see I connected 2 files, and I can see no student had actually submitted it yet because I just assigned it.